You might hear the Jones Act mentioned when discussing shipping costs or global trade. Let's demystify this century-old maritime law. At its heart, the Jones Act is a piece of legislation focused on cabotage, which is the transport of goods between two points in the same country. Passed in 1920, this law was intended to support the U.S. shipping industry by mandating that goods shipped between U.S. ports stay on American vessels. To qualify, a ship must meet 4 strict criteria. It must be owned, built, flagged, and crewed by the United States. This creates a clear divide. Domestic shipping is often more expensive due to these requirements compared to the global international shipping market. Because of the specialized requirements, shipping goods between U.S. ports can often be significantly costlier than shipping to international destinations. It remains a controversial topic today, balancing the desire for a secure domestic maritime industry against the goal of keeping logistics costs low. Understanding trade policy helps you see the bigger picture of the economy. Subscribe for more money basics and keep learning.